Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to cut in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Premiere Pro, I want you to click the free trial option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Adobe Premiere Pro, cutting footage is one of the most basic and essential tasks during the editing process. So there are a few different ways to cut clips here in Premiere Pro. Number one option is going to be using the razor tool. The razor tool can be found on the tools section here on the left side panel. If you hover down, you would notice that there are names for the tool. Selection tools, the track select forward tool, ripple edit tool, and the razor tool. So if you press the C button on your keyboard, you see from the arrow it changes to the razor, wherein this can cut any part of the clip you wanted. How? I want you to, this one is gonna be my image, this one is gonna be my video. So if I play through on it, all right, so they are working together there seamlessly. So I'm gonna press the blade again, or the razor cut tool. You would notice you have two options. All right, you can cut individually the photo and the video if you want. You see, so now I have two elements that has been cut. If I want to delete and cut any elements here, for example, I need to return to the keyboard tool, which is letter V, and the shortcut for razor cut is letter C. So I'm hover to letter V, choose the element that I wanted to cut, and press delete. You see that? So from this onward, I was able to cut an image because I don't want it, and it will be it'll appear again after a couple of seconds. If I want to cut the video again, just select the video that you want to cut. It's kind of easy. All right. But if you want to cut them together, all I have to do is press again the razor tool, cut them in the middle so that they will be selected together right here. You see this? They had been cut together, right? So from there, you can select all of them together and delete them. And of course, you can remove the this into this section. It's kind of easy. You can cut any part of the video and the image all together. All right, for as long as you want. Let me undo that for now. And the last option for the cutting is going to be using the trim section. What is the trim section? All right, so let me show that to you. You see, if you hover your mouse on the left side, you would have like this arrow right here, wherein if you drag it all the way to the right, you're cutting the video into like half or like a few seconds. You notice that? So originally it's like around it's around like 3 seconds. If you use this button, you are cutting the video into split seconds, which is of course gives you the flexibility to cut your clips quickly with more control right here, depending on your editing needs. Whether you're making quick cuts or precise adjustments, Premiere Pro provides a variety of tools to achieve your desired results. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.